welcome to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to make this new chicken recipe that I found while I was scrolling on Instagram. I'm excited to try this one because it seems simple enough for me to follow, and hopefully you guys can follow along with me. And like I said, I'm learning how to bake and cook, and I'm trying to find easy recipes for me to be able to show you guys how to make, and to let you guys know that if I can do it, you guys can do it as well. So if we're ready, then let's get started. So for the ingredients, what you're gonna need is black pepper, salt. I'm using red chili flakes, but in the recipe it calls for Calabrian chili peppers. I don't have those, I just have some red chili flakes, so I'm going to use those instead. Butter, grated cheese, some Italian seasoning, oregano, breadcrumbs, olive oil, minced garlic, 1 lemon, and last but not least, we will need some chicken. So now that we have all of our ingredients, I'm going to cut my chicken in half, and make sure that you turn your oven at 375. Okay. So in a cooking pan, I'm going to add all the ingredients. I'm going to combine all the ingredients in here. So we're going to go ahead and add our olive oil. Okay, now that we have added our olive oil onto our pan, we're going to go ahead and add the grated cheese. We're going to add the minced garlic. We're gonna add our red chili flakes, and we're gonna mix all of this together. And then we're gonna coat our chicken in the pan with everything that we've added. Okay, and now we're gonna add some salt to one side of the chicken. We're gonna add our pepper. We're gonna squeeze our lemon. And give that a good mix. I'm gonna flip over the chicken breast. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side of the chicken breast. So we're gonna add our pepper. We're gonna add salt. We're gonna add oregano. Do not forget your oregano. So we're gonna go ahead and add oregano. and the other half of the lime. Excuse me, lemon. The other half of the lemon. Give all of that a good mix again. Incorporate all of those wonderful flavors. Okay. And of course, this goes without saying, but just a friendly reminder, make sure when you guys are dealing with chicken, anytime you touch it, make sure that you always wash your hands. Now that we have our chicken coated with all of the ingredients, the next step is to add the breadcrumbs on top. So for that, you'll need some butter and your breadcrumbs. And the reason why I have Italian seasoning is because I don't have already seasoned breadcrumbs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning to my breadcrumbs. And so once we add our Italian seasoning, we're gonna go ahead and melt our butter. Once we have our butter all melted, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our breadcrumbs. We're gonna give that a good mix. Now we're gonna add our breadcrumbs on top of the chicken. Now our chicken is ready to go into the oven. It's gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes. All right, now that it's been 20 minutes, we're gonna take our chicken out to make sure that it's done. So because it is chicken and this is a learning channel, I'm gonna go ahead and use the thermometer to ensure that the chicken is thoroughly cooked through. So it seems like all the pieces are thoroughly cooked through. Like I said, it's just we wanna make sure that the chicken is thoroughly cooked through. We don't wanna get anybody sick. So it looks great. And if for some reason it's not fully cooked through, what I usually tend to do is I just put it back into the oven for another 5 minutes and then check it again. But our chicken is done now. All right, now that our chicken is all done, it's time to try it. So I paired my chicken with just a roasted broccoli vegetable. You guys can pair it with any vegetable or like a nice Caesar salad, whatever your preference is. I just did a quick broccoli with olive oil, salt, a little bit of pepper, and I just put it in the oven while the chicken was cooking. So let's give it a try. Oh my goodness, yes. This is an amazing recipe. The chicken turned out very moist and juicy. It's tender, absolutely delicious. Well, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna leave all of the ingredients listed down below in the description box, as well as the measurements. I'm also gonna link the person that I found this recipe from. They do have a lot more videos there. They also have a series of 20-minute or super quick and easy dinner recipes or lunch recipes, whatever you guys want to use it for, whatever your preference is. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I am super excited to continue to share these videos with you and for you guys to follow along with me in this new journey of mine. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much again. Bye everyone.